one of the easiest ways I've ever seen to secure our home is this little thing right here. This reinforces your door by 800 pounds of pressure. I want you to check this out. That's how easy it is to turn it off and how easy it is to turn it back on. Very simple to install. Now I want you to check this out. I'm gonna close the door and we're not even going to lock it. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna do that right there. Now check this out. I'm gonna try to open the door. It can't be done. You cannot open this door. Even if somebody tries to kick the door down, this right here is going to keep anybody from entering inside of your house. So to use this is extremely simple. All you have to do is just pull and open. That's it. Let me give you a closer look. What we're going to do is we're going to simply open it up and then we're going to open up the door. Now I want you to look at this. This is how easy it is to install. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. That's it. And then to operate it, it's very simple. This right here is what's reinforcing the door. And when it's closed, it just latches in just like this. When the door is closed, nothing is going to open this unless you open it yourself. We close the door, lock it, and then we close the reinforcement lock like so. And now it's going nowhere. This is the easiest way I've ever seen to reinforce your doors and keep anybody from out there getting inside here. I have one of these on all the doors inside of our house, and I highly suggest you do the same.